Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by locking in the hands separately. Practice the left-hand chord progression C, G, M, F as steady quarter notes, then add a simple broken arpeggio pattern. Once done, let your right hand pick out the melody in short 2/4 note phrases so you can hear the tune over the harmony. Make sure to use a metronome at a comfortable slow tempo. This builds coordination. Repeat 8-bar loops until both hands feel independent and consistent before moving on to combining them. Now you combine the parts, starting at the slow tempo you mastered and raising it gradually by small 3-5 BPM steps so accuracy stays intact. Focus on timing. Place light accents on offbeats and use a gentle staccato for the rhythmic motif to make the groove clear. Once comfortable, weave in passing notes and small fills to connect melody phrases, but keep the left hand softer so the tune sings. Practice sections with repeats, then play through without stopping to build endurance and flow. To finish, shape the song by planning dynamics. Swell into the chorus and drop volume for verses, using pedals sparingly to avoid blurring. You should record a full run-through and listen back for balance issues, timing slips, or missed notes so you know exactly what to correct. If something goes wrong, slow that passage to half tempo and isolate the troublesome hand until it's reliable, then stitch it back into the full piece. Keep practicing with purposeful repetition and small adjustments until the performance is steady.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.